Okay, so this is what those exterior lights look like in the night or late evening. I'm going to be replacing these with the more modern looking lights. Um, I guess in the night you can't really make out much from a distance that these are like a old fashioned traditional torch style of lights. But essentially I'm going to be replacing these for a more modern look. And there are three external lights, uh, one on the right side of the home and two on the left side, and there's also one light on the inside of the porch. This one I've used a different kind of bulb. It's like the flame effect kind of bulb. It's actually an LED, which is just got several LEDs that are flashing in a certain pattern and it looks like a flame. But this is essentially that modern looking um, light that I'm going to replace those with. It's slightly bigger than the other lights, but also the style is a little different. It's this old style is like looks like a torch, but this is more of a modern look, I think, a cleaner look. And I'll also be making a video on how I replace these. So that's coming up.